Today's topic is things I wish I knew about the stock market. But first, welcome to YourVibe Media. This is a channel where we talk businesses, finances, and personal growth. Back to today's topic, things I wish I knew about the stock market. My dear friend, I've been investing in the stock market for many years now. I have a portfolio mix of both dividend-paying stock and growth stock. But the 5 things I'm going to tell you today are things I wish I knew before starting or when I started my stock market portfolio. I would have made my dividend portion of my portfolio stronger than it is today. Number 1, income generation. Dividend-paying companies pay out dividend to their shareholders. Some of these companies will pay out this dividend on quarterly basis. And recently, some companies are beginning to pay out dividend on monthly basis. My dear friend, this would be a steady source of income for an investor. You can imagine you invested thousands of dollars several years ago. And currently, as you're sleeping, your investment is making money for you, and every month or every quarter, you receive dividend payout. That is a no-brainer, my friend. Number 2, historical stability. Most of these dividend-paying companies have established business model, which is what allows them to make profit that they pay out to their shareholders in form of dividend. Most of these companies have been around for over 100 years, over 75 years, over 50 years, over 25 years. Most of those companies have also paid out dividend to their shareholders for over 50 years. These companies are well established. Thereby, during market or economic downturn, they tend to perform better than growth stock. Number 3, dividend reinvestment. When you reinvest your dividend instead of cashing it out, you're able to leverage the power of compound interest. Let me give you an example. Assuming you invested $10,000 in a dividend-paying stock, and they pay out to you $700 for the first year. You now have, at the end of the year, $10,700 invested. That's a no-brainer, my friend, because it helps you to leverage the power of compound interest. So as you reinvest your dividend year after year, you're growing your dividend portfolio. Number 4, inflation hedge. Dividend-paying companies and the dividend payout they make to investors, they help investors build a hedge or build inflation hedge. How? Assuming in the first year you are being paid $500 dividend, and then you keep on reinvesting your dividend, and your dividend payout keeps on growing. You keep on investing more to build up a stronger portfolio. At some point, imagine your dividend grows to $1,500 instead of $500. And as the years go by, as you're building up your dividend, inflation is happening in the economy. the extra money you're making will help to be a hedge for you during inflation. How? Because it's giving you more purchasing power than you would have had if you still had the $500 dividend. So my dear friend, this is a powerful tool. Having dividend payout can help be a hedge for you during inflation. Number 5, tax advantage. Many jurisdictions will tax dividend income in a lower tax than other investment income, and by so doing, this will provide tax advantage to investors. Let me give you an example. Assuming investment income is being taxed at maybe 30%, but that jurisdiction will tax dividend at 10%. That is a lot of tax savings for you. So my dear friends, these are 5 advantages of dividend paying stock I wish I knew when I started. So my friend, you can make your dividend portfolio stronger so that you can benefit from the advantages of dividend paying stock. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.